PulsEvo UNO R3 Ultimate Starter Kit version 2 is used for building electronics projects. This kit completely revolutionized DIY electronics, making it possible for students, hobbyists, developers, learners, artists, and teenagers to create a vast array of projects which interact with people and the environment. A variety of components are included in this pack to try out 15+ projects. Beginners can learn the basics of Arduino programming and electronics interfacing. From this kit, you will get what Arduino programming and electronics is all about and how it is used in the real world. Free PDF tutorials, codes, and libraries with more than 20+ lessons are included with this kit, and each sensor's picture with a label to guide beginners. This kit includes everything you need to get started with electronics. It includes many activities, which will take you from knowing to utilizing electronics in the real world. This kit includes everything you need to get started with electronics using an Arduino and a lot of things that will take you from a beginner to an enthusiast.